My colleague Vidya is reporting from outside Nanavati Hospital in Mumbai, and Pia Hingorani also joining us from outside Big B's residence, Jalsa, right there in Juhu. To you first, Vidya, who's right there outside Nanavati Hospital. Vidya, we do know Amitabh Bachchan has tested positive. His son Abhishek is tested positive as well. Amitabh Bachchan has mild symptoms. What is his health condition at the moment, and what is the condition of Abhishek Bachchan as well?
Well, both of them have mild symptoms. They have both confirmed this on the Twitter communication that they have been doing since last evening. In fact, another test was conducted because the earlier test that they had done was reported to have been a rapid test, which would generally gives a report easily, immediately. But for another confirmation, the other report, the test has also been done, which is the report is expected today. In fact, both these people are in isolation ward of this very hospital where I'm standing right now, the Nanavati hospital, which is a dedicated COVID hospital. Now, in this hospital, only those people can be admitted who are COVID positive, and that's the reason why both these people are here. They are being taken good care of. That's the reason why Amitabh Bachchan had issued a statement as well, stating how he is thankful to the doctors here. And of course, immediately, after they were brought in, their checking of their vital statistics was done. Vitals were checked, and since they were found to be normal, one of the most important, symptom of COVID-19 is which really gets everyone worked on, is the fact that when someone gets breathlessness, that is your oxygen levels drop. But according to reports, what we have got to know is that both the Amitabh Bachchan as well as Abhishek Bachchan have reported good oxygen levels, and that is the reason why there's not really too much of tension right now. But yes, both of them are under observation, and the hospital is keeping a keen tab on their health.
Absolutely. Stay with us right there, Vidya. Vidya is getting us all those details from right outside Nanavati Hospital. Let's go straight across to my colleague Pia Hingorani, who is outside Jalsa in Juhu scheme, where Amitabh Bachchan lives. Pia, we do know that even otherwise there are huge crowds outside Jalsa trying to get a glimpse of the Bachchan family, especially Big B as well. Now he is at Nanavati Hospital. What are the scenes that are going on outside Jalsa is number one, and number two, how did Big B even get himself tested? What were the kind of symptoms that prompted him to get this test done in the first place?
Well, Chaiti, let me first take you through what is happening at the moment. Right now, we are outside Jalsa. That is Amitabh Bachchan's house here in the suburban, in Juhu of Mumbai. And as you can see, other than the media, there's no one really around here because of the precautions that, people are taking due to, the COVID-19 situation here in Mumbai. But of course, let me also tell you that, Mr. Bachchan has not really stepped out of his house in the past 3 months. In fact, he has been shooting right here inside. He has shot KBC, the promos and other advertisements inside his house on his, on his own, without any crew or anything. So what we know is that Mr. Bachchan has been inside, but for the past couple of days, he had been complaining of, breathlessness and uneasiness while breathing, which is why the rapid test was conducted last evening. But that's all that we know at the moment. But as you can see, there's a lot of media that is gathered here around. No fans have come in here just as yet.
Pia, also one question, is the house getting sanitized now? Jalsa, where they live, gets sanitized now. We do believe that the rest of the family thankfully has tested negative. Only Abhishek Bachchan and Amitabh Bachchan have tested positive, and the results of the other staff members are still awaited. But sanitization should be underway. When is that about to start?
Well, absolutely, Chaiti, but we are expecting the BMC, that is the, municipal corporation officials, to come in any moment. But at the just about now, all that we know is that the family members have tested negative for COVID-19, and that's all that the information that we have right now, other than, the fact that Amitabh Bachchan and Abhishek have also tested positive. The rest of the family has tested negative, and the BMC officials are expected any moment.
Right, stay with us right there. Pia is joining us from outside Jalsa. Let's also go straight across to Vidya, who's outside Nanavati Hospital. Vidya, if you could walk our viewers through the scenes outside Nanavati Hospital, because we do know that the crowd's throng outside Jalsa to catch a glimpse of Big B. But now he's at Nanavati. How are the fans reacting? Of course, the best wishes for speedy recovery are pouring in from every quarter possible, from the political brass to the Bollywood fraternity to everyone. But right outside, the fans must be wanting to get a glimpse. They must be thronging. What are you picking up in terms of outside Nanavati?
Well, had it been any other, disease or a pandemic, probably there wouldn't have been such a huge issue. But right now, because of the lockdown in place, because of the restrictions, people really cannot walk out. And that is the reason why we see no fans right now. In fact, it is just the media personnel who are standing here. But remember the exact location where we are, that is K West Ward, which is where his house is located, as well as this particular hospital. This is the this has recorded the fourth largest number of cases so far in Mumbai. K West Ward has seen quite a rise in numbers recently, and that is the reason why the Mumbai suburb especially is under a lot of there's an action plan that is going on where the BMC is targeting to see to it that the numbers reduce. But this is the fourth highest ward which has the highest recording. So that is the reason why contact tracing of all those people who had come in contact with Bachchan in this particular case has to be done. A high risk contact is someone who has been with a person who has this disease, is basically someone who stayed for 6 hours or more. So contact tracing will be done by the BMC, sanitization of not just his residence but also his office, which is located right next door, if he has been there, and also his other residents, Pratiksha, if Abhishek or Amitabh, either of them had been to that location as well. So obviously, a lot of work is there on the hand of the BMC, who will be doing not just contact tracing, sanitization, but also seeing to it that if there is a need for a separate quarantine for his staff members, for example. Of course, Amitabh Bachchan's family would not really need isolation and quarantine because there is ample space at their bungalow. But if the staff members, their families need anything, then they will have to be quarantined. So all that has to be done by the BMC now, which is the reason why the BMC is the most important factor in this particular case at this juncture.
Yes, absolutely. Vidya, stay with us. Pia, stay with us, getting us all those updates right there. Big B testing positive for coronavirus. That's the big story we're tracking now.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.